Hello boys and girls, day 89. Today we try a different place. Hopefully less bugs, otherwise I don't really care much. Finished the run, feel great, feel pumped, really pumped. Leg soreness is way down, which is a very nice thing. Let's see how the exercises go. And we finished for the day. Today was a bit sunny with the place that I found, but I still prefer it to the small insects and whatnot. Yeah, the training was awesome. Feel pumped, feel great. Weather is amazing. I love getting outside to do the workouts. Like today it took me a bit longer because it's weekend and it's a slow weekend. Nevertheless, we're here, we're finished, and tomorrow we're gonna be here, most likely, again as well. Trained yesterday, trained today, we'll train tomorrow. I'll see you then. Bye!